In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your subscribers on YouTube and who subscribe to your channel with how many subscriber count that they have on their channel, how you can get to this area. Let's see. So first off, you head over to youtube.com, and from here on the right hand corner, you just make sure that your channel icon is showing right here. So only that way you can just click on this profile icon right here and go to YouTube Studio. From here, you just scroll down until you see this recent subscribers and just click on see all. And there you go. This is all the people that have subscribed to your channel. They have their own channel, some of them with many subscribers. In fact, if we set it to lifetime, we can see the people with much bigger subscribers have also subscribed to your channel. And that's pretty nice. So we can either subscribe them back for gratitude, and otherwise, you can just close out of here. Now guys, if you are in this video to see your subscribers count, how can you see the total subscribers that you have? For that, it's very simple. You just have to write your channel name or your handle name, and that should show your subscriber count right here. Also, if you want to check it from the handle, let's say this is my YouTube handle, just paste it anywhere like this, and you should be able to see your subscribers here. You can also move to this area directly from this channel icon right here, and you can see your subscriber counts and the total number of videos that you published right here. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is how you can check your subscribers and subscriber count on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.